Hey friends, I was not sure that this Wellness Wednesday was going to happen today at all, but I thought I'd go ahead and make a quick video just to let you know that I'm still alive, but barely. Um, Kind of out of the blue, I think I got food poisoning. I don't think I've ever had food poisoning in my life before. And this morning I woke up super nauseous. Thankfully, I slept all through the night, so that was good. But I woke up super nauseous and just, vomiting and everything else all morning. And that's not typical for me. Like, I had to calculate how long it's been since I actually threw up. And it's been like 10 years. I think it was when I was pregnant with Charity. We got some stomach bug. So totally not normal for me. What I think happened was I got a bag. So last week I told you guys I started eating salad. I added that back to my diet. I was having no problems with it. Everything was great. I got a bag of locally grown, beautiful, like spring mix from the farmer's market. And I had a salad made with it yesterday, and I'm thinking that's what it was. So I don't know if that's like a sign from God that I'm not supposed to add salad back to my life or not. I'm not sure what to do with this information right now, but right now I'm just trying to recover. I'm starting to feel better. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon, and I haven't thrown up for several hours now, so I think the worst is over. I really haven't eaten anything so far today. I have been sipping on my electrolytes as soon as I stopped throwing up. Started sipping on my electrolytes to try to get those back. But that's what I'm doing, and I'll just, not eat until I'm actually hungry. So that's what I've been dealing with this morning. And then on top of all of that, Levi had an egg exposure today. So I was throwing up all morning. Then my mom was trying to be helpful and take Levi out so that I could rest. And they had some ice cream. Didn't realize there was eggs in it. And so they come home, and then it's like the waiting game, waiting for him because he's so severely allergic to eggs that he will, thankfully it's not an anaphylactic thing. It's not life-threatening. That would be terrible, but it's like this waiting game where it's coming, and he's fine for a little while, and then his tummy starts to hurt, and he loses everything. So we had to deal with that. He's on the mend now. He throws up a few times until he's like so tired he can't even, hold his head up. And then he falls asleep. So he did that, and now he's watching his YouTube show and he's starting to feel better, but still kind of weak. So it has been a day, and it doesn't feel right to call this video Wellness Wednesday because we're not well around here. Things are a mess, but it's starting to look up. It'll be better soon. I did have some stuff I wanted to talk about on my Wellness Wednesday today, but I think I'm going to just either save it for next week, or maybe I'll do a bonus Wellness Wednesday later on not a Wednesday. We'll just see how it goes. But right now we're just in survival mode. But just wanted to check in. Didn't want to miss a Wellness Wednesday. I've been pretty solid with my Wellness Wednesdays for almost a year now, and didn't feel right to skip it. I hope your day is going better than mine, and I will just see you again in another video.